Hello and welcome to this overview of some of the most important tools available on the DAT platform. As always, as I say, whatever you are new to DAT or looking to maximize your current subscription, this video will provide you with the high-level overview of essential tools that can significantly enhance your dispatching and freight management operations. So what we're going to do is we'll briefly touch on the DAT directory, DAT trend lines, DAT lane makers, and DAT market conditions. Remember, these tools are actually designed to give you the insights and data you need to make informed strategic decisions. And remember, what's the goal? The goal is to become a data-driven dispatcher. So let's dive in. First up is the DAT directory. Think of as your go-to resource for connecting with the right partners in the freight industry. First, let me show you how to get there. So once you log in, go to Tools and go to DAT directory up here. Click on DAT directory and voila, you're here. Now, DAT directory is, think of a comprehensive database of carriers, brokers, and shippers, providing you detailed profiles that include safety ratings, which is very important, services they offered, and even customer reviews. Hear me out. This tool is invaluable whether you are searching for a reliable carrier in a specific region or a broker with a good reputation. DAT directory helps you make those connections confidently. And I'm pretty sure maybe you're already using it. Maybe this is new to you, but as I said on the next video, I'll be going into details showing you ins and outs of this tool. So up next will be DAT trend lines, and again, how to get there. Click on the tools and go to the DAT trend lines. DAT trend lines is a tool that provides you weekly updates on freight market trends. If I'm not mistaken, at the time of recording this video, DAT posts DAT trend line reports every Wednesday. So what is DAT trend lines? Well, it's a tool that provides you weekly updates on freight market trends. And again, at the time I'm recording this video, DAT posts these snapshots every Wednesday. Now, what it offers? Well, DAT trend lines offers you insights into a national and regional trends. Think of demand and capacity broken down by the equipment type like drive-in, reefer, and flatbed. So by understanding these trends, you can anticipate market shifts. It happens a lot. And you can adjust your strategies accordingly. So whatever you are looking for, let's say to optimize your pricing, meaning rate per mile, positioning your fleet more effectively, or simply stay ahead of the market conditions, DAT trend lines gives you the data-driven insights you need to stay competitive. And again, remember, we are becoming a data-driven dispatcher. Okay, we are now moving on to the lane makers. And again, go to Tools, click on Tools, and go ahead and click on the lane makers. Now, maybe you were thinking, well, I heard of this lane makers, but I don't know what it is. Well, this is a powerful tool for identifying the most profitable freight lanes. And we talked about a lot about freight lanes, building lanes, a lot of carriers asking about how to build lanes or can you build me a lanes. This is the tool to get started with building the lanes for your carriers. So we know that in dispatching or in trucking in general, optimization is very important. Maximizing the profitability is very important. Backhaul, and we'll be talking about backhaul a lot. And obviously the bottom line is very, very important. So this tool is particularly useful for dispatchers and carriers looking to optimize their routes and maximize profitability. By identifying the best lanes and backhaul opportunities, lane makers helps you reduce deadhead miles and ensure that every trip contributes to your bottom line. And again, we'll be going into details showing you exactly how to use this tool. Lastly, let's touch on DAT market conditions. And again, go to Tool and go to Market Conditions. Well, let me say this. This tool provides you with the real-time data on the overall state of the freight market, including demand, capacity, fuel prices, and more. By understanding this tool, well, market conditions is crucial for making proactive decisions such as adjusting your rates, responding to your fleet, or securing contracts during volatile periods. And remember, we talked about already about volatile, spot market rates, freight changing trends. And again, if you haven't watched those videos, go back and please watch them. And again, while we will dive deeper into market conditions in the upcoming videos, remember that this tool helps you navigate the complexities of the freight market by providing a comprehensive view of the factors that influence your operations. There are a lot of factors that influence the dispatching operations or carrier side of the business, but again, this tool is absolutely amazing. On the bonus section, I will include the bonus training that I did with the DAT. So a lot of amazing stuff coming at you. Just stay motivated, excited, and please remember the ultimate goal for this training is to become a data-driven dispatcher. That wraps up the quick overview of the DAT powerful tools, the DAT directory, DAT trend lines, DAT lane makers, and DAT market conditions. Each of these tools plays a crucial role in helping you run a more efficient and profitable dispatching operations. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into each of these tools, showing you how to use them effectively with live demonstrations. I'll see you on the next video.